Well, it's almost 7 in the morning, Friday. I'm in my truck. Left my phone upstairs, so I'm making Ashley go get it. I'm tired. I didn't sleep real well. Pem was having some pain issues, and I guess I just didn't sleep real good in general. I gotta go inspect the day cab and go to the Van Buren job, which I hate because that means I gotta ride back with other people, and I hate that. But kind of is what it is. Someone's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, go. Somebody wants a kiss.
Okay.
Come on, hurry up and get it over with. Oh, jeez, it's so painful. She's shaking her head. I'm on my way over to the office. Let's see how this goes. Pretty sure that thing's screwed up. I don't know what to think of it right at the moment. We'll have to see. They think the steering gearbox is bad. I don't know if I completely agree with it. Just kind of have to take a look at it. But if the day cab's messed up, I can still hook it to the haul truck. That's even more of a pain in the butt. We're gonna work tomorrow too out in Van Buren. Thought about seeing if they wanted to work on, our guys wanted to work on Sunday, because one of us can operate and the other ones can just haul. It's only 2 miles down to the church. But I guess we'll just have to see how today goes. But I'm tired. Well, I signed up for US DOT number, and then Jared's got Pem. Pem has a cone on, and he hates it. But I have to stick him in my truck because he's freezing. But I brought my laptop with me and did a bunch of work. These guys are detailing the Dodge, white Dodge. We got it up for sale, so we're getting it all kinds of cleaned up, and trying to get all that stuff done. Set him down. Watch. Comes right to me. Pem.
Boy.
See, Ashley's all worried that he's just gonna like run off. And he usually won't. He just wants up all the time. Pem. You a good boy. Nice cone head. How's it coming along?
It's the front's pretty clean. I'm gonna wipe off all this stuff. And
Why'd you get Armor All wipes? You should have just got a bottle of Armor All. It would have been cheaper.
what?
Just a bottle of Armor All.
We lost the last one.
I know, but you bought wipes instead of just buying a jug of it.
We got these two. I'm going back and
You know, wipes are Armor All on a rag, also known as a paper towel.
yeah, they work. Knock all that stuff down.
I got them that vacuum. So, it's coming along. Well, these guys are cleaning a Mini X. Dodge looks pretty good. Where's the Dodge at? Here it is. Except for paper towels. It's for sale. $38,000. Thing's a monster. Don't want to get rid of it, but we bought a new truck to replace it, so might as well get rid of this one. Bring in a new one. Charlie just called me and lost a mud flap, so now I gotta go get him one. And we'll head home, eat dinner, play with the dogs. Do it again tomorrow. I'm hauling tomorrow. I'm gonna dump truck all day tomorrow, so that'll be fun. But we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's like 5:44. Train has traffic completely blocked all through downtown and stuff, all the main roads. So I'm over on the far one, kind of towards over by the airport, still sitting in traffic. Been going at it for 45 minutes, still not able to get home. Kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm like, this kind of sucks. I'm hungry, my feet hurt, just want to get home. But very slowly making the way. Russellville really doesn't have a lot of traffic around here, so people get real anxious when it comes to this sort of stuff. I'm real frustrated. Where I came from, traffic's like this all the time. But I don't know why the train's completely stopped, blocking everything. It's kind of odd. Doesn't happen a lot around here. And this is the railroad tracks right here. Yeah, I can see the end of the trains right there. That blinking kind of light. There's still cars over there on that crossing. So I wonder what happened. I wonder if they hit someone or hit a car. But this is the main line, so they really almost never stop. So something bad probably had to happen. But I'm sure it'll be on Facebook here in a little bit. Slowly making my way.